Good morning, children. Hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to our new session. But before that, let's have a quick recap of our previous classes. Sunil and Anil were twins. They shared everything. One Saturday, Sunil and Anil went outside to play with their toy wagon. The twins used to love their wagon, but both the twins wanted to do different things with the wagon. They were arguing with each other. Mother came outside when they were arguing and she said, "You boys must share the wagon." But the twins did not want to share the wagon. A few days later, mother brought home a pet kitten for the boys. Then the boys asked mother, "May we each have our own kitten, please?" As they were tired of sharing everything. Mother said, "I am sorry, but you must share one kitten. You have to feed the kitten and make sure that she does not get into trouble." After a few days, the kitten got into mother's knitting basket and scattered balls of yarn all over the room. Anil saw the kitten playing with the yarn. He quickly went to find out Sunil to tell him what the kitten had done. "Oh no, it is our job to clean up the mess," cried Sunil. The boys quickly picked up the yarn and put it back in the basket. After looking at the things scattered by the kitten, Sunil cried that it is our job to clean up the mess. Children, what do you mean by mess? Mess is dirty or untidy state of things or place. Who created mess? Here, the kitten had created the mess. Then the boys quickly picked up the yarn, the balls of wool, and put it back in the basket. When the mess was cleaned up, Sunil and Anil saw that the kitten was playing with an orange. They quickly made the kitten her own toy from a piece of yarn. Children, after Sunil and Anil cleaned up the mess, they saw that the kitten was playing with an orange. Then they quickly made the kitten to make a own toy from a piece of wool. "Just think, Anil, two kittens would have made a bigger mess," said Sunil. By seeing the mess created by the kitten, Sunil said to Anil that just think, if two kittens were there, they would have made a bigger mess. "That is right," laughed Anil. "Maybe sharing is not so bad after all." Anil laughed and said, "That is right. Maybe sharing is not a bad one." What is the moral of the story, children? Yes, you are right. The moral of the story is sharing is a good habit. Children, always remember that sharing is a good habit. It teaches us to take care of others. Often we have many things which others do not have. Those things we can share with others. Sharing happiness will make you and your surroundings happier. Children, now let us discuss about singular plural topic. Children, singular means one. Plural means more than one or many. Children, remember that plurals can be formed by adding s or es to singular nouns. Children, now let us look at these words which can be made into plural by adding s. The first one is book. It is a singular noun. These are books. They are more than one. By adding s to book, we are making it into plural. Next example, children. What is this? This is a pen. It is a singular noun. What are these, children? These are pens. These are more than 1. By adding S to pen, we are making it into plural. The plural form is pens. Children, now let us look at these words which can be made into plural by adding es. What is this one, children? This is a box. What are these, children? These are boxes. We need to add es to box to make it into plural. Next example, children. What is this one? This is a potato. What are these, children? These are potatoes. By adding es to potato, we are making it into plural. Children, if the noun ends in f or fe, remove the f and add ves to make it into plural. Now look at some examples. First example, what is this one, children? This is a leaf. What is the spelling, children? L-E-A-F, leaf. In order to make it into plural, we need to remove the last letter of the leaf word, F, and we need to add VES. Then the spelling becomes L-E-A-V-E-S. These are leaves. Here, observe the picture, children. What is given here? First one, C-A-L-F. What is it? It is calf. What do you mean by calf, children? Calf is a baby of a cow. Look at the next picture. How many calves are there? 2. See here, C-A-L-F. From C-A-L-F, we are taking out F and we are adding V-E-S in order to make it into plural. Then what it becomes, children? C-A-L-V-E-S, calves. Next example, children. What is here, children? S-H-E-L-F. What is it? Shelf. As shelf word is ending with F, in order to make it into pronoun, we need to take out F and we need to add VES. Then it becomes S-H-E-L-V-E-S, shelves. So remember, children, if the noun ends in F or FE, take out F or FE and add VES to that noun in order to make it into plural. Children, if the word end in Y, we need to remove Y and add IES to make it plural. Children, now let us see some examples. Observe the picture, children. What is given here? It is a butterfly. Butterfly word is ending with Y letter. Here, in order to make it into plural, we need to remove Y letter and add IES in order to make it into plural. Children, now next example. Observe the picture, children. What is given here? It is a storybook. See here, story is ending with Y letter. In order to make it into plural, we need to remove the last letter, that is Y, and add IES in order to make it into plural. Children, now one more important point to be remembered is when the words are ending in Y and if there is a vowel just before Y, then we need to add S to make it into plural. How many vowels are there, children? In English alphabet, there are 5 vowels. What are the, children? They are A, E, I, O, U. If any one of these vowels appear before Y, then we need to add S to make the word into a plural one. The word key is ending with Y letter and there is a vowel just before Y. It is E. Then we can add S to make it into plural. It becomes K-E-Y-S, keys. Example, children. What is this one? This is a key. What are these, children? These are keys. It is the plural form of key. The word toy is ending with letter Y and there is a vowel just before Y, that is O. In order to make it into plural, we need to add S. It becomes toys. T-O-Y-S. Next example. What is this one, children? This is a toy. What are these, children? These are toys. So remember, children, when the words are ending in letter Y and there is a vowel just before Y, we need to add S to make it into plural.
One, more than one, by addition of S. Many nouns add S to show that there is more than one person, animal, thing or place. This is a cat. These are cats. This is a girl. These are girls. This is a school. These are schools. This is a pen. These are pens.
One cat, two cats, and one dog. One hat, two hats, and one dog. Two hats, two cats, and one dog. One boy, two boys, and one dog. One girl, two girls, and one dog. Two boys, two girls, and one dog. And one dog.
Hope you all have understood today's class, children. Do write the given assignment neatly in your class workbook. Thank you, children.